A fairy tale escape. Welcome to Sintra. Hey there, fellow travelers, ready for a trip back in time? Just a hop, skip, and a short train ride from Lisbon lies Sintra, a town straight out of a storybook. Imagine lush green hills, colorful palaces perched on mountaintops, and a mystical aura that hangs in the air. That's Sintra for you. Get ready to be charmed by its beauty and history. Trust me, this place is a must-see on any Portugal adventure. Whether you're an art buff, a history enthusiast, or simply looking for breathtaking views, Sintra has something for everyone. Over the next 3 days, I'll be your guide as we explore some of its most iconic landmarks. We'll wander through whimsical gardens, uncover hidden symbols, and soak up the Portuguese sunshine. So, pack your walking shoes and your sense of wonder, and let's dive into the magical world of Sintra. Day 1. Reaching for the clouds at Pena Palace. Our Sintra adventure begins at the most iconic spot, Pena Palace. This colorful palace sits atop the Sintra Mountains like a crown jewel overlooking the town. To get there, hop on the 434 bus from Sintra's historic center. The ride itself is a treat, winding through charming streets and offering glimpses of the lush scenery. Once you arrive, grab your camera and prepare to be amazed. Explore the palace's eclectic mix of architectural styles, from Moorish arches to Gothic towers. Don't miss the stunning views from the terraces. You can see all the way to the Atlantic Ocean on a clear day. After the palace, wander through the sprawling Pena Park. This magical garden is full of exotic plants, hidden grottos, and winding paths that lead to breathtaking viewpoints. Day 2. Unraveling mysteries at Quinta da Regaleira. Get ready for a dose of mystery and symbolism today as we head to Quinta da Regaleira. Just a short walk from Sintra's historic center, this estate is like stepping into a Dan Brown novel. Mysterious symbols and hidden meanings are everywhere you look, especially in its gardens. Explore the romantic palace, but the real highlight here is the gardens. Wander through tunnels, discover hidden grottos, and marvel at the intricate carvings. And don't miss the iconic initiation well. This spiral staircase descends deep underground, shrouded in mystery and legend. Quinta da Regaleira is a place to let your imagination run wild. Day 3. Scaling the heights of Moorish history. Our final day in Sintra takes us back in time to the imposing Moorish castle. Perched high above the town, this ancient fortress offers breathtaking panoramic views. You can hike up, but I recommend taking the 434 bus to save your energy for exploring the castle. Walk along the ancient ramparts, imagining the battles and sieges these walls have witnessed. Peer through the arrow slits and let your mind wander back to the time of knights and conquerors. The views from the castle walls are simply stunning. You can see Pena Palace in all its glory, the rolling hills, and the sparkling Atlantic Ocean. It's the perfect way to say goodbye to magical Sintra. Sintra awaits. Your adventure starts now. So there you have it. 3 days packed with fairy tale palaces, mysterious gardens, and awe-inspiring history. Sintra is a place that will stay with you long after you've left. It's a place where you can lose yourself in beauty, history, and wonder. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your own Sintra adventure today.